Yeah, it was a whiteout about 10 minutes ago. Look at that shit. The little buds on that tree. It's a fucking blizzard out. Look at this. This is what, the 20th of April? Seems like what, the 20th of March? What the fuck? Look at that. Look at that. Fucking blizzard out, man. Are you kidding me? Cold as cocks out here too, I'll tell you that much. Look at that. The fucking blizzard. I really want this winter to end. This is definitely a little bastard winter that won't end. Lucy, what are you doing on the other side of that fence? You know you're not supposed to be over there. You know I can see you, right? Look at that. You can see the little buds on those in that tree. Look at that. Little buds on the tree, and it's fucking snowing out. Tell you, when it starts snowing in June, then you know we're fucked. Then you know the end of the world is coming. Look at that. Fucking blizzard on the 20th. Freaking bullshit what that is. Lucy, where'd you go? Lucy! I swear. Get your ass over here where I can see you. Look at that. Dog's all covered with snow. Lucy, get over here. Lucy. Why don't you listen to me? You're covered with snow. Now get over here. Get up here. Why are you such a bad dog?